I regret saying the circulator pump is bad. L1 neutral, nothing. I mean, there's gotta be like a switch off or something. I mean, that was on when I got here. I mean, maybe it's the breaker. I'll check that in a minute. I just wanna go over and make sure it's nothing obvious so I don't look like an idiot like an hour from now when I find the problem. Okay, so power. Leaving our breaker is good. Somewhere up the conduit, over, down. What? All right, this is getting ridiculous. I'm just gonna follow these back. That box goes down. You've got to be kidding me. That said pump to storage tank. Well, let's give it a shot. Oh my God. Well, it just tripped. So, this could be good or bad. What am I talking about? Good or bad? A tripping breaker is never good. Boiler, pump to storage tank. Now that I think about it, I don't think this is tripping. I think it's shutting off. I think it's a bad breaker. Let's test it. This off to the side. Turn it on. See if it trips by itself. Maybe because there's no amp draw? I guess, the theory. I'm not an electrician. Well, I know I'm not using this one. So let me try switching them and seeing if that helps. Okay, so I switched the breakers. I could have just switched the wires, but stupid me didn't think that until now. But we have a bigger problem. Now we actually tripped. This works, this works. I heard them kick on, I saw them run. The control works, the boiler works. I think that's our problem. Look at what we got here. Got these up and out of the way. I think every time it called for this pump demand, it was shutting off. Should have tripped by now. Well, either way, we're good now. Not good as far as good here, but we found the problem. All right, I'm gonna try and straighten everything out in there. We'll see what happens, but the motor might be too far gone. So blue is on 4, brown and red are on, I don't know. Blue on 4, brown and red, I guess that's 2. Okay, so this is low voltage, so this is 120 volts. This isn't 240. If it's 240, we would have to wire it this way. Always make sure before you turn the switch on for the pump that it's wired for the proper voltage, whether it's 120 or 240. Okay, so hot 2. What did I say, 1? That doesn't matter. Yeah, doesn't matter. It's alternating current. Fingers crossed. You saw it jump, right? On second thought, I'm gonna try something first. Maybe it's just locked up. I mean, oh my God. It has oil. You can't even turn that. That's crazy. So here's where we're at right now. Believe it or not, pump's okay. Oh my God, I am so glad I took it out and tested it before I just jumped into the motor was bad. I was so convinced because of that little burn mark, that was it, it was done. We're not out of the woods yet, but making good progress. Oil? What oil? Looks like there's water in there. Wow, I'm just starting to loosen it up. I mean, at this point. Now. Did we just get this to work? Pump back on. Of truth. Yes! What a beautiful sight. Boiler's kicking on, controls kicking on. So our pump is working. All right, let's go over here because it's a little loud. I would have seriously regret just saying the circulator pump was bad without actually taking it off and testing it. Take it off, set it off to the side, turn the power on, and try to see if the motor actually rotates. This could have been really bad, really fast, and I would have looked like an idiot. What most likely happened was because the pump sat all summer not on and there was no oil, just all the crud and stuff inside locked it up.